at this. Look at this.
I usually do when I vacuum them.
Oh, okay. What is this?
Yeah, I've been ignoring that for years.
I mean, did they reupholster it?
I don't know.
Lots of properties. Recommended cleaning instructions. Did you read this?
No, Mom.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna unzip this and throw it in the wash machine.
Okay.
Alright, so this is the thing right here that I have to sew. Right here, I'm gonna have to fold this under.
There's puppy dad shirt.
So.
But it's a bad picture.
And that'll be that. These have to be cut off. What's going on here? These can be cut off. Somebody's mother. Now this is like this. Ah, that's not nice. So I'm gonna tuck that under. Where is my... Oh, it's at home? So stupid. I literally have like a thimble. People don't have thimbles anymore, but I have a thimble, but I don't have it here.
What are thimbles for?
If you're sewing a lot, the needle, like, it's a little piece of metal and it starts hurting. That was scary.
Yeah.
Well, this thing.
Alright, ostrich friends, this is it. This is it. Time for the hippo rhino situation. Will I die horribly as I did before? I hope not. I did.
Dasher's looking like, that is my couch!
This
That's
game
my
is
chair!
the devil, and also Satan.
Thanks for bringing us the popcorn channel.
This is very hot water.
With the typical use, there is a slow throwing.
Why would you use shout? That just removes stains.
This is the first step. I gotta look for stains.
No.
There's such a classic, so many beautiful varieties, different textures, different looks.
You want to
But
do
depending
more?
on the variety,
This is gonna be my own little mixture. I'm putting a little bit of Dawn. Just a little bit. The suds you make will be your own, so don't get cute with this. I'm putting a touch of the oxyclean in there because it's a touch. Okay. And I'm putting a little bit of the oxygen orange thing. Whatever. I just need like a little bit. Smells good. Okay. Go to work.
It's still in the grower's pot. It's in the pot.
Steve?
I wait probably close to 2 weeks before I water them again. And it seems to be doing really well. So this guy,
You could be holding the camera for me, Jess. That would be nice.
My chair.
I'm not. Look at how clean it looks already.
Are you cleaning it?
Yes.
if I can help.
One part vinegar, 2 parts seltzer. The next phase, Jeff. You gotta bubble it up. Double bubble. Island trouble, exactly. Take a clean cloth, scrub it like this, and the dirt comes out.